In this tutorial video, you will learn to find the geometric difference between two geometries. When we click the Difference button from the Tools menu, the method of using geometry is divided into two in the panel that appears. When clicking on the Find the Difference between two geometries option as the geometry usage method, the two geometries on the map should be selected using the selection buttons in the panel. Then, after clicking the Find Difference button, the difference between the two geometries is found. When the Find Differences for the selected layer option is selected as the geometry usage method, the process of finding the difference between the two layers on the map is performed. After selecting the layer to be differentiated and the layer to be cut, click on the Find Difference button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.